Hello everyone. This question appears in class 6th NCERT chapter of fraction. This is second question of its exercise 7.2. So the question says that express the following as mixed fraction. So first is 20 by 3. So 20 divided by 3. So 3 से 6 टाइम डिवाइड हो जाएगा 18 and the remainder is 2. So हम इसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं for A 20 by 3 is equal to in mixed fraction completely divisible है 6 टाइम so हो जाएगा 6 and remainder part is 2 and divisor is 3 so हो जाएगा 6 is to 2 by 3. This is the mixed fraction of 20 by 3. Next B 11 by 5. So 11 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हो जाएगा हमारे पास 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे 11 को so it 2 time completely divisible 5 to the 10 the remainder is 1 upon 5. C 17 upon 7. So 17 is divided by 7 then 17 to the 14 so 2 time it's completely divisible and then remainder is 17 minus 14 is equal to 3 upon 7. So this is the mixed fraction of part C. 28 upon 5. So 28 is 5 time completely divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25 so ये completely divisible है 5 time then remainder is 3. 28 minus 25 is equal to 3 so हो जाएगा mixed fraction 5 is to 3 by 5. E 19 by 6. So 19 is completely divisible by 6 3 time 6 3s are 18 so यहाँ remainder होगा 19 minus 18 is equal to 1 then 6 so the mixed fraction is 3 is to 1 by 6. F 35 upon 9. So हम 9 की टेबल देखेंगे 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27 and 9 fours are 36. So 3 time completely divisible है so 3 and the remainder is 35 minus 27 is equal to 8. So the mixed fraction is 3 is to 8 by 9. Thank you.